Okay guys, 9 meanings for this word. 1. I have grown old. Negorete. Negorete. Number 2. I had eaten. Negorete. Negorete. Number 3. I have uprooted. Negorete. Negorete. Negorete doma. Number 4. I have already left. Negorete. Negorete. That is the same as number 3. Number 4. I have scratched the food remains. Negorete da furia. Negorete da furia. Number 6. I'll go with I have purchased or I have bought. Negorete. Negorete. See? It is almost the same as number 5. I have scratched the food remains. Negorete mohuko. Or I could change and say negorete mohuko. Negorete mohuko. Okay. Number 7. I had gotten lost. Negorete. Negorete. Negorete gyoka goko. Number 8 is I will throw it away, sorry. I will throw it away. So like a banana. Negorete. Negorete. Negote irigorere. Negorete. And number 9, finally, we have like, you know how we say in Swahili, nimekukula kadi. So in Kikuyu we will also say the same. Negorete kadi. Negorete. Negorete kadi. Okay, so I know it sounds like I have bought, I had eaten. Negorete, wewe, nimekukula kadi. Negorete kadi. Yeah.